Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself in a photo into a cartoon with PicsArt on desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened up the PicsArt.com website and I'm going to show you how we can turn our photo into a cartoon using this PicsArt website. I'm going to browse files and I'm going to select photo from my device. For example, I'm going to turn this photo into a cartoon. Hold on guys. Okay, if we want to turn ourselves in a photo into a cartoon, we need to apply PicsArt effect. We can go to the effect menu right here and then we're going to find the cartoon category, this one. And here you can either apply the cartoon 1 or cartoon 2, and I'm going to try it one by one. Okay, this is how the cartoon 1 effect looks like, and I'm going to try the cartoon 2. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this one guys. And then if you want to export your photo, you can click on export and the photo will be saved to your device. I'm going to click on download. Okay, and you can check it in your device after that. I'm going to check it. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn ourselves in a photo into a cartoon. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.